Unlike most National Academy reports, which are commissioned by an outside source, this report was commissioned by NAS President Ralph Cicerone. The National Academy has looked at the condition of postdocs several times in the past, most recently in 2000. And the purpose of this report was to determine what has changed since the 2000 report and to what extent the recommendations and suggestions made in the 2000 report have actually been implemented. The treatment of postdoctoral scholars is important because these are the future mainstays of the research enterprise. And there's been a lot of concern that their position is ill-defined, that they don't get enough respect within the research community, and that if we don't make this position more appealing to aspiring scientists, we're not going to be able to attract the very best people into careers in science and engineering. So if science and engineering is going to be strong and successful in the future, it needs to do right by the young people coming into the field. Well, we found that conditions in some ways have improved for the postdocs. They are getting benefits. There are now postdoc offices on many campuses, and there's a National Postdoctoral Association that's looking after their interests. However, we also found that they're not receiving the amount of mentoring and training that they should be receiving, and that there's a certain amount of ambiguity about exactly what their role is in the research enterprise. So we're recommending that they get better benefits, and they have a clear understanding of the careers for which they are being prepared, and that they get the type of training and consultation that they need to be prepared for careers, not just as academic researchers, but possibly for work in government, industry, the national labs, or other settings.